Hey guys, starting a video tour of Unit 1007 at 3033 North Sheridan. Here's the front door, and then a look just down the hallway towards the elevators. Right when you enter, you do have a little bit of an entryway with coat closet, which I'll show in a second. Then you have your really nice big combined living dining space. The room sizes for this unit are actually pretty incredible for typical one beds in this neighborhood. A typical one bed, I mean, you can sometimes be a little bit lucky to get about 700 square feet. But this unit, it is a one bedroom plus an actual real den slash office space. We're approximately a little over 1,000 square feet, maybe between 1,000 and 1,100. But this gives you an idea of like the room space. This tenant is occupying the property until the end of May, and then is likely going month to month just in case we don't find a buyer in time. But you can tell that this unit, it does need some cosmetic updates. It has the original carpet from the conversion, which was around 2006, I believe. So if you do install hardwood floors or a vinyl or a laminate or engineered wood or whatnot, you definitely can see some pretty great kind of immediate appreciation, but also just like living lifestyle appreciation. We are facing west. We're on the 10th floor. So what's great is that like due west of us, you do have these really beautiful old condo buildings. And so you do really get an unobstructed west neighborhood view. And then a pretty cool view of some of these older buildings on Sheridan. So natural light is always going to be phenomenal, especially in the afternoon. I mean, the amount of natural light that comes in is pretty great. And then just kind of going again, another panorama or pan across the rest of the unit. You can see the den space that's right there behind that wall, that hanging art thing. And we'll walk towards the kitchen and the den. So typically, I mean, this is a kitchen that has aged incredibly well in terms of the style. So a lot of times these 10-year-old kitchens are starting to get a little bit outdated. These are nice, dark, flat panel cabinets, modern cabinet pulls, stainless steel appliances. You do get a dishwasher, which I'll show in a sec, and granite countertops. For an instant upgrade, or kind of like modernizing it to 2020 standards, you could very easily do switch out the granite for just a light kind of marble-looking quartz, which a lot of people are starting to get to now. That would also help to brighten the space up that much more. And then also just getting a new paint color in here as well, I think would just freshen up the space. Really good counter space, good, nice like island with breakfast bar. Under cabinet lights. And this is the little den space. In some of the 10 tiers or the 07 tiers, which is what this one is, people have made this den into a much larger kind of office space by moving this wall out a little bit further. However, they also do this at the disposal of your island and breakfast bar, which kind of would get rid of a lot of good cabinet space. It also makes the kitchen seem much smaller and enclosed and just kind of tight quarters, which a lot of times people are trying to get away from. A little more open concept is what this one is giving you. And I've typically found too that a lot of people in this floor plan don't necessarily like really need that den office space as much as I think they thought they might. So even getting rid of these two walls that you see right here and here to open it up even further to give yourself this massive space. Because again, I mean, you would get from here all the way to here with a nice big open living dining space. But again, it's kind of to each their own. This is the entry closet. So good closet space throughout. You can tell she has quite a lot of stuff, but this is probably about a 5-foot wide closet. You could easily double the hanging space by adding more shelves. And then going towards the bathroom and bedroom. So this closet right in front of us, which I'll open up in a second, is your laundry. Along Sheridan Road and just in general, Lakeview East, it's very difficult to find laundry in unit in these older buildings. This is an all-in-one washer and dryer. You are able to, if you wanted to, do like a taller stackable, but obviously you get a little bit extra storage space in here as well for closet that you can do much more with than what this owner has had done. Also, there is a laundry room in the building on the mezzanine level. So nice updated bathroom, granite countertops, undermount sink, new a good cabinet space, nice big mirror, and then you do have a nice kind of combined tub shower. Pretty typical tile, but again, this is somewhere where you could do a nice easy upgrade to update it a little bit more to 2020 standards with maybe even just a white subway tile. That would be both inexpensive, but also kind of modernize it. And you do get a linen closet as well. So again, just for extra storage, pretty incredible. I wish I had a linen closet in my space. And then last but not least, you do have a really big bedroom. This is a true king size bedroom. You can easily fit a king bed. I believe she just has a queen bed in here. But you get tons of space and good wall space for dresser as well. Full length closet. It does, actually it's two separate closets, never mind. But again, really good amount of closet space. So I would say this is approximately at least 6 or 7 feet per closet. And again, you can do way more with it if you wanted to. From your bedroom, you do also still face west. So again, lots of good natural light throughout the afternoon. And then just panning around as well. You do have a window air conditioner for each room, one for the bedroom, one for the living space. And for this property, you do get pretty much everything included in your assessments except for electric. So cable and internet, water is always included in these buildings. And then you also get your heat included in your assessments as well. So this is the tour for 3033 North Sheridan Road, Unit 1007. Floor plan, feel free to reach out to your realtor and or myself to get a representation of what the floor plan is as well. And if you're interested in a showing, feel free to reach out. Thank you very much.